Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to do about the autobiography. Consider it as your writing task. Now before starting the autobiography, you should first know the difference between autobiography and biography. Well, a biography is the study of a person's life that is written by someone else. You're not going to write it. If someone else is going to write about your life, that would be biography. While autobiography is the one that you write about yourself. Now, for a few examples of the autobiography and the biography is right now I'm going to give you an example of autobiography that is actually written by Nelson Mandela, a very famous liberator and politician. He has written a book about himself, about his life, and the name of his book is Long Walk to Freedom. Then we have another autobiography that was written by Malala, a very important figure, very famous figure, and she has written about herself, that is I'm Malala. Then Imran Khan, our prime minister, he has also written an autobiography about himself, that is about a personal life of history. Now we have our former president Pervez Musharraf, who has written an autobiography book about himself, that is In the Line of Fire. So what is an autobiography? So before that, I've already told you that biography is the one that is written by someone else about your life, and autobiography is the text that you write about yourself. For example, William Shakespeare was born in. Now, William Shakespeare was born in is actually a content of biography because you're writing about someone else. While I was 8 when I broke my arm, it means you have starting it writing by yourself with I, using a pronoun I. So it means it's an autobiography. Okay, now the word autobiography, it actually derived from the Greek word. Auto means self, bio means life, and graphe means I write. So autobiography means the life about which I write. Okay, so recently the important figures of celebrities who have written the autobiographies are Amir Khan, Peter Kay, and Wayne Rooney. They have written autobiographies, and you can search it on the internet and you can have a look. Now, when you're going to write down an autobiography, the first thing you have to keep it in mind is that you have to use the first person. You have to use the personal pronoun. You're not going to write down an autobiography using you or the name. You're going to, as you're writing an autobiography of your own, so it means that you have to start it by writing yours, like I, my, okay, I, me, my, myself. Now this is a web which I have given on your written task. You have to fill up this web. It consists of your brother's name, your first name, your second name, color of your hair. You would love to complete this web. That web will give you a general idea about yourself. Then comes the written task. Now you have to do this written task one by one. First you have to collect all the information related to your birth, then the family, the friends, my neighbors, my hobbies, and goals from the future. Now task 1. In the task 1, this task actually given in your written task. I want you to fill up all these questions that has been asked. Do sit with your parents, they'll help you out. In task 2, you're going to write down all about your family. In task 3, it comes as friends.